Hello students, welcome to you all on my YouTube channel. Myself Santosh Kumar. Today we will start new chapter from history, chapter 6, which is weavers, iron smelters and factory owners. Dear children, what are you looking at in this picture? In this picture, you will watch trading ship at Surat port in 17th century. You know, in medieval period of time, Surat was one of the most important port of the Indian Ocean trade. The Dutch and the British used this port a lot in 17th century, and unfortunately its importance declined in 18th century. So dear children, in this chapter we will discuss about story of the crafts and story of the India's industries during Mughal period of time. Okay. In industry, we will discuss textiles and iron and steel industry. Both these industry were very important according to industrial revolution. What do you mean by industrial revolution? The process of manufacturing by modern machines in place of handmade items is called industrial revolution. I mean to say that हाथ के द्वारा बनाई गई वस्तुओं के स्थान पर आधुनिक मशीनों के द्वारा निर्माण की प्रक्रिया को औद्योगिक क्रांति कहा जाता है. The Industrial Revolution started in England. After Industrial Revolution, mechanized production of cotton textile made Britain the most prominent industrial nation in the world. Here, mechanized production means machine-made clothes. In the 1850, when Britain's iron and steel industry also started to flourish, Britain came to be known as the workshop of the world. Dear children, the industrialization in Britain and British victory over India was closely related. We have read already in chapter 2 how the Indian territory was occupied to protect the business interest of the East India Company. At the end of 18th century, the East India Company was buying goods in India and exporting them to England and Europe and also earn more profit. British industrialists began to see India as a vast market for their industrial products. In this way, the finished good in Britain started coming to India market. Indian market. Okay. So, dear children, next video we will discuss Indian textile and the world market. Thank you.